Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing videos part 9 switchgear LH and choke cable. And this is the box and the brand name is UNM Minda. It is a Delhi based company and they manufacture electrical components for all OEMs. And this is the outside spec, and this is common with Suzuki Samurai, Shaolin and Shogun, and the price is rupees 638, and this is February month 2024 pricing, and I bought this in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, and inside it is the switchgear assembly. And if you see my previous first project, the Suzuki Max 100, or the ignition key is the on off switch for the headlight assembly. But here if you see, it comes with parking light switch, the main light switch, the high beam, low beam. The indicators are in LH side, whereas in Max 100 it is a right hand side. And it also comes with engine killer switch. You can see the video in previous part 7 part 8 I think, and many other things. And this is the choke cable. It is from Suprajit, and it is a Karnataka based company, Bengaluru. And the pricing is rupees 68. I bought the switch gear and the cable in the same shop. And this is a cable. One end is to be connected to the carburetor unit, and this end to be connected to the gear, switch gear. And it has an arrow, and that has to be in right direction, fitted in right direction. And see you in next video.